Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an entry right away. Open the FX Journal app and tap the plus icon to begin. Explain why. Logging immediately captures raw decisions before bias forms. Once the form appears, choose trade type and pair, enter size like 0. 5 lot and add time frame. Make sure to fill entry price, stop loss, and take profit. These are essential anchors for later analysis. As you type your initial thought, be concise. This preserves the mental state that drove the trade. Once the basic entry exists, add context. Attach a chart snapshot and annotate the setup so you can see exactly where you acted and why. Also log indicators and any relevant news, plus risk expressed as a percentage or dollar amount. This quantifies exposure for later review. Make sure to tag emotions, strategy used, and expected duration. These tags let you filter trades and find patterns. By combining visual proof with numeric metrics, you create a robust dataset for meaningful post-trade analysis. You finish by closing the trade and immediately recording result P/L, outcome, and any deviations from plan. This completes the feedback loop. Then run the app's reports to see expectancy, win rate, and average R. These metrics reveal whether your edge exists. If a mismatch appears, dig into individual entries using tags and snapshots to find root causes. If something goes wrong, check for missing fields or corrupted images. Restore from backup notes and re-enter critical values to keep your dataset intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.